Hi, my name is David, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the money wave before actually buying the program. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the money wave is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the money wave and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The money wave, an advanced brain entrainment technique, seamlessly activates theta by stimulating various brain regions, initiating a transformative process with your first encounter. This program offers the convenience of enhancing your mental faculties from the comfort and privacy of your home, devoid of traditional practices like meditation, mantras, or writing exercises. Simply dedicate 7 minutes daily to listening to the soundwave, allowing it to harmonize with your brain's rhythms and catalyze the activation of your theta waves. By tapping into your latent brain power, the money wave propels you towards a daily listening routine that fosters empowerment. This meticulously designed program has already facilitated life-altering transformations for numerous individuals globally. As you embrace this method, opportunities manifest abundantly, steering life in a positive direction for both you and your family. The program's efficacy lies in its ability to unleash the subconscious mind's potential through scientifically backed theta activation. Do not lose more money with expensive programs that do not give any results. Make a test with the money wave and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 90 days to use the money wave 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.